Hello everyone, this is Louise for thunderlaser. Today is our Thunderbolt series turn to be introduced. Now let's move on. Thunderlaser select the top-notch lasers and parts, also conduct a strict quality inspection. Our professional techniques and service ensure the high quality of each laser machine. Our board series are all about the CO2 RF2 laser, well known for its superior engraving capability. It can realize precise cutting and its cut quality can be comparable to our Nova series. It has a wide range of application in the non-metallic materials processing. Equipped with the focal length from 1.5 inches to 4 inches, our Thunderbolt can not only engrave the high-definition photographs, but also cut the thick materials of 20 mm with more ease. Our Thunderbolt series have an intelligent touchscreen so you can autofocus with one single touch. Also, our built-in cameras can realize the remote visualization on the software side for the real-time preview of positioning. What's more, our Thunderbolt series adopt the air cooling system instead of the water cooling system. It's much efficient and can ensure the whole machine to run stably for a long time. In this part, the comparison of different models are as follows. Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt is a desktop laser equipped with a 30-watt RS laser with a maximum processing speed of 1000 mm per second and an acceleration of 30,000 square millimeter per second. Equipped with a working area of 508 by 305 mm. It's a powerful productivity enhancer. The Thunderbolt integrates 3 systems: cooling, air blowing, and film extraction, and is ready to use within the 10 minutes setup. Thunderbolt Plus. Thunderbolt Plus is the same as the Thunderbolt with a 30-watt RF laser with the same working area. However, its maximum processing speed soars to 1,500 mm per second with an acceleration of 15,000 square millimeter per second. Besides, it also has a real-time screen to show the blowing situation. Thunderbolt Pro 22 also equipped with a 30-watt RF laser, but it can reach a maximum processing speed of the 2000 mm per second with a working area of 559 by the 381 mm. Thunderbolt Pro 32. Our Bolt Pro 32 equipped with a 55-watt RF laser and can reach a maximum processing speed of the 2000 mm per second and has a working area of 813 by 508 mm. Finally are some samples made by our Thunderbolt. The details of engraving can be clearly seen. Also, the cutting edges is much clean. Besides, our Thunderbolt can be applied in the jewelry industry, art and crafts industry, stamp industry, and other industries. It has a wide range of applications in the various industries. That's all for today's board introduction. If you have any other questions, please draw your comments. See you in the next video. Bye.